Ladies and gentlemen, in this video, I'm going to go over the top stocks to buy right now at massive discounts, undervalued. Nobody wants them low, and then they want to chase high. We love to buy low, sell high. Too many people they play the game the other way around. I'm going to buy high, hoping it goes higher, and if it doesn't work out, I hold the bag all the way down. That's not how you play the game, guys. So I'm going to go over the watch list, specifically the stocks that I believe will recover very well and do very well in the bull market. I want you who are, if you're watching this video, you're interested in these plays, you need to grab a pencil, pen, and take out a notebook and write down, hey, I like this play. He said it's a buy here and it's a sell target of this, this, and this. Write it down. I am giving you game plans because way too many people, even in my Discord, patreon.com/shades and trades, if you want to join the Discord, they don't have a game plan. They tell me, hey, I bought this stock and I don't know when to sell. And I'm like, buddy, you got to have a game plan. I mean, you're here to learn, ask questions. But first create a game plan, then tell me, hey, here's my game plan, Shades. What do you think? That's better because at least you're learning. At least you're creating a game plan and then going to me and saying, hey, what do you think of my game plan? Does this look good? And I'm either going to tell you, hell yeah, that's a good game plan. Good job. Keep it up. Or I'm going to look at you and go, actually, your sell target here doesn't make sense. You need to up the sell target. Be a little greedy on this one. I'll help you out. But you got to reach out, guys. Don't expect me to reach out. I mean, there's a lot of people that message me all day, every day. If I sat here and responded to every message, I'd be here for hours. But if you reach out to me and you're in the Discord, I'm here for you. All right, that out of the way, let's go over the game plan before I even continue. Bitcoin bounced huge. A lot of people thought we were going to tank. I keep saying this. I think this is bottom. When a lot of pessimistic headlines come out, usually the bottom. Now, let's go down the list here. My favorites. ONDS. I think this is going to be a buy. If it dips, I wouldn't buy here. Let it come down and see if it comes down to 10. This thing has been a buy under 10 every single time. So if it does ever come back under 10, it's a buy. Look for the buy at the purple line as well with sell targets of 12, 14, and 16, then 20. If you're chasing here, be very careful because you're chasing a big green day. I would wait and see if we get a dip. Redwire, no, not Richtek Robotics. Sybil, it's a stock in the Department of Defense, or Department of War, I guess is the term I should use. And this is a penny stock, super risky play. I've been trading this one since 2021, and I made the big. I was an idiot in 2021. I chased high, hoping it goes higher, and I held the bag all the way down. I learned from that mistake, and here I am 5 years later, and now I know, you don't buy high hoping it goes higher. You buy low, sell high. So look at this. This is a classic buy low, sell high. You buy down here when nobody wants it, right? Nobody wants it down here at 001s. And then it pops to 005s. It moves 300, 400% because it's a sub penny stock. So it can move hundreds of percentages. It's super risky. Keep that in mind. I keep saying this. It's super risky. But I've been trading this since 2021. I've been there. This thing is a buy. Buy low, sell high. Look to sell at 006, 009, and 0.0112. So if you're interested in this play, you got to write down the game plan that I just gave you. That way you know, okay, we're at this sell target. I'm going to sell. I'm going to take some off the table. You can see classic pump and dump penny stock pattern. You got to buy and sit in the position. This is not the play for you if you can't handle huge volatility and if you can't handle sitting there on the position for a long time, right? These people did not make hundreds of percentages, thousands of percentages by sitting there and crying and then selling before the big run. No, they sat on the position for a whole year and then boom, moved to 2 cents. Here it came down nice and cheap and then boom, another huge 700, 800% run. So, it's high risk, high reward. Up to you. If this is not for you, again, plenty of other less risky, safer plays. For example, Palantir Leaps, if you can afford and if you know how to buy Palantir Leaps as far out as you can buy them, I think are about 5-6K. And your sell target would be 162, followed by 170, then 186, 196, and then 207. So you got plenty of sell targets on the way up. If you can afford a few of them, awesome. If you can only afford one, awesome. I mean, look, this is the problem. A lot of stocks get real cheap and people get scared to buy. I don't understand. I don't get it. Another one that I like is, in terms of safe plays, Nvidia. Nvidia, right? Same thing, same story. You're starting to notice a pattern. I just like buying cheap. I don't know why. I'm just a sucker, I guess. I just love buying discounts. But this is another stock in a trading range, and it loves to buy. It's buy low, sell high. So it's a buy here, Palantir. I mean, Nvidia leaps as far out as you can buy them for safety and have plenty of time on them, and in case things don't, go up. And sell target of 190 plus. Very simple, very easy. Don't overthink it, right? Buy low, sell high, clear trading range. Again, APLD, classic pattern of coming down to the purple line, then it rallies huge back to 40s. Rinse and repeat, rinse and repeat, rinse and repeat. It's at the purple line right now. It's trying to hold up. Let's see how it closes. But this would be a buying opportunity. If it does come down any lower, it would come down to the white line, which would be about 22s. And it would be back to this big support level. So if it doesn't hold here, look for 22s. And look for a sell target of 30, 1.5, and then 40, and then 50, and 100 longer term. Up to you how you want to play it. IonQ, no. SoundHound. Yeah, SoundHound, another one that is super undervalued. It keeps beating on earnings, not bidding on earnings. It keeps beating on earnings, and it just goes lower. Not because there's anything wrong fundamentally with the business, nothing wrong with the company, nothing wrong with the CEO or any of these people. They're not liars like RR. This is a real company, real business, AI voice. This is a buy. Sell target of 12, 16, 18, 20 for potential 100% plus return. I'll leave it at that for SoundHound. And finally, I think there's one more. Where is it? I think I skipped it. RiotStock. RiotStock. Oops. There you go. RiotStock. Did I forget SoFi? I think I forgot SoFi as well. RiotStock. Buy and hold for 2024. Dollar cost average, of course. SoFi. Dollar cost average. Hold for $30. And is that it? I think I'm missing NVTS. NVTS, where is it? NVTS. This is a buy at the white line. At the white line, it's been holding up. Stop. You buy at the white line and set a stop at the low of the day. And if it's truly the bottom, like it has been for a while now, it shouldn't stop you out. And then it rallies 10-20%. Take profit, rinse and repeat. That's literally been the pattern. It's stuck in a range as well. So if this does come down, it should come down to 7s. Like it has been doing so since November of last year. So there you go, guys. Those are the plays. You grab your little pencil and you write down, out of all these, I really like that one play. Yeah, I can, I can dig it. And then, you're ready. Now you have a game plan and you have sell targets, buy targets, and there you go. You got strategy. And that's already better than some people. Some people they don't even know what strategy is. All right, guys, I'll leave it at that. As always, patreon.com/shadesandtrades if you want to join the Discord. Hit that like and subscribe button for me. We got a lot coming this year. I already changed my room around. I got 3 monitors on one side of the room. I got the fake brick wall on another side. I think we might do a paint job. We'll see. But yeah, it's gonna be fun. It's gonna be fun. This is gonna be a great year. It's gonna be a great year towards the second half of it, probably, because we're gonna go into a bull run, I believe. And everyone's gonna be very happy, and oh my god, we just print money, woo! Shades is the best because everything just keeps going up, even though I'm not really doing anything special. It's just that everyone's a genius when everything keeps going up. That's just how it is. So there you go, guys. I'm not a genius. I just have strategy. That's it. And if you use strategy, you're gonna do well and not blow up. Really, too many people get it wrong. The stock market is not about making money first. It's about protecting your money first, then making money after.